2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5N isn't just another electric car. It's a statement, a bold leap into the future of performance EVs. Today, we're diving into what makes this car not just fast, but exhilarating. From its groundbreaking technology to its razor-sharp design, this is the EV that wants to thrill. At first glance, the Ioniq 5N captivates with its aggressive yet sophisticated design. The low-slung stance, and specific aerodynamic tweaks, and signature accents like the red trims and blacked-out details scream performance. The bold 20-inch forged wheels wrapped in sticky performance tires are ready to dominate the road. But the real magic happens under the skin. The Ioniq 5N packs a dual-motor setup, delivering over 600 horsepower and an all-wheel drive system. This beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. And thanks to Hyundai's advanced ELST, cornering is razor-sharp, with every ounce of power controlled to perfection. And let's talk about the sound. Yes, the sound. Hyundai's engineers have crafted a unique artificial engine noise that blends futuristic tones with the roar of a high-performance combustion engine. Paired with the car's aggressive acceleration, it creates an immersive driving experience that's truly one of a kind. The interior of the Ioniq 5N is a cockpit built for enthusiasts. Alcantara sport seats hug you in place, while the N-exclusive steering wheel gives you fingertip access to drive modes and custom settings. Digital screens dominate the dashboard, offering real-time performance data to keep you connected with every aspect of the drive. And what about the range? The Ioniq 5N doesn't compromise. With its advanced 800-volt architecture, it offers up to 260 miles of range and lightning-fast charging capabilities. In just 18 minutes, you can recharge up to 80%. That's power and practicality in one electrifying package. Hyundai has also baked in innovative cooling systems to ensure peak performance during intense drives. Whether it's a high-speed run or a track day, the Ioniq 5N is engineered to handle it all without breaking a sweat. Safety, of course, it's Hyundai. The Ioniq 5N is equipped with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist and forward collision warning, this car offers both thrills and peace of mind. So, who is the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5N for? It's for those who crave speed but care about sustainability. For those who demand cutting-edge tech but won't sacrifice style. It's for the driver who wants it all in one electrifying package. What do you think about the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5N? Is it the EV that's finally bringing the excitement? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more from Turbo Car Craze. Until next time, keep the pedal to the metal.